Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering essentials: Aadhaar number, the mobile with OTP access, and scan proof of the detail you want to change. Once that's ready, go to the official Update Aadhaar portal and choose Update Demographics. Make sure you select the correct field to edit, pick name, address, or mobile accordingly. Enter your Aadhaar and request OTP. You'll use it immediately. This step logs you into the secure session so you can submit changes. Once logged in, carefully type the new information exactly as it appears on your supporting document, because mismatches cause rejection. Next, upload the proof files in the required format and preview them. Ensure text and edges are legible. Select a verification method. OTP is typical, but you may need biometric or video KYC for sensitive edits. Pay the service fee if charged, then review the summary. Confirm submission. After submission, note the URN and track status online. Processing usually takes 7 to 14 days. Once done, you'll receive confirmation or rejection. If accepted, download the updated e-Aadhaar. If rejected, read the rejection reason carefully and reapply with corrected documents or a clearer scan. Make sure you use the right proof type. If online methods fail, contact the helpline or visit an enrollment center with originals for in-person correction. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.